Real estate for me is a passion. I grew up around real estate. I'm a second generation realtor. So growing up, I saw my dad go through the ups and downs of real estate. I used to follow him around as he would talk on the phone, just to listen in on his conversations. I truly enjoy helping people and being in the position where I can help people. So just recently, I just closed on one of my favorite houses actually. And it's a young couple. They have a young daughter and they're expecting baby number 2 now. And they let me know, hey, we're looking for a home. We've been renting now for about 5 years and we really have no idea what it is we need to do to purchase our first home. I went ahead, we met for lunch. I basically introduced them to my preferred lender. We went ahead, we got them pre-approved. We started looking for homes and within, I want to say 3 weeks, we found them a house. We closed on the house in 30 days and they're expecting their child, in the next couple of days. That transaction to me was more than just a real estate transaction. Friendship out of it, I made a family relationship out of it. To me, that was my biggest achievement in that transaction. My name is Hector Pardo with RESF and I'm here to find your spot.